Hey there, Fit Fam! Welcome to Fitsnetics. In today's video, we have an exciting upper body strength workout, specifically designed for beginners. If you're ready to build a stronger upper body, this video is for you. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay up to date with all our fitness content. So, let's dive right in. Building upper body strength is essential for overall fitness and daily activities. In this workout, we will focus on exercises like modified push-ups and light dumbbell exercises, which are perfect for beginners. Exercise 1. Modified push-ups. Our first exercise is modified push-ups. These are easier variations of traditional push-ups, making them ideal for beginners. Start by getting into a push-up position, but instead of being on your toes, place your knees on the ground. Lower your upper body towards the floor while maintaining a straight line from your head to your knees. Push back up to the starting position. Remember to engage your core and keep your back straight throughout the movement. Modified push-ups target your chest, arms, and shoulders. They are an excellent way to build upper body strength gradually. Exercise 2. Light dumbbell overhead press. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Raise the dumbbells to shoulder height and then press them overhead, fully extending your arms. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to shoulder height and repeat. This exercise targets your shoulders and triceps while also engaging your core for stability. Light dumbbell exercises like the overhead press are great for beginners as they allow you to adjust the weight according to your current strength level. Exercise 3. Modified dumbbell deadlifts. Dumbbell deadlifts aren't just for your legs. They're a fantastic way to work your upper body too. Grab some dumbbells and let's master this move. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, holding dumbbells in front of your thighs, palms facing your body. Hinge at the hips, bend your knees slightly, and lower the weights towards the floor, keeping your back straight and chest up. Engage your core, then push through your heels to stand back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. While the dumbbell deadlift primarily works your legs and back, it also engages your upper body muscles, including your shoulders, arms, and upper back. Focus on keeping a strong posture throughout the movement, activating those upper body muscles. Exercise 4. Lateral raises with light dumbbells. Now let's move on to light dumbbell lateral raises. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. With a slight bend in your elbows, raise your arms out to the sides until they are parallel to the floor. Slowly lower back down and repeat. This exercise primarily targets your shoulder muscles and helps strengthen and tone your deltoids. Light dumbbell lateral raises are an effective way to improve shoulder strength and stability, especially for beginners. Exercise 5. Modified incline push-ups. Lastly, incline push-ups are an excellent way to build upper body strength without any equipment. Find an elevated surface and place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart on the elevated surface, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest towards the surface by bending your elbows, then push back up to the starting position. Engage your chest, shoulders, and arms throughout the movement. Incline push-ups primarily target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, promoting upper body strength. Congratulations on completing this upper body strength workout, designed especially for beginners. By incorporating these exercises into your fitness routine, you will gradually build a stronger upper body. Remember to always prioritize proper form and safety during your workouts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fitsnetics channel for more fitness tips and workouts. We'll see you in the next video.